Mountainhouse, savor the adventure, chicken and mashed potatoes. Today on An Old Man in the Woods. Stick with us. Okay, gang, so today I'm trying out a new Mountainhouse food thing. Freeze-dried chicken and mashed potatoes. And I like Mountainhouse stuff. I haven't had this one before. I've had several others, but we'll give it a shot, see what happens with it. What can I tell you? I got the fire going, got the water on. It's boiling over here, or going to be boiling shortly. And we'll put it together and let you know what I think. In the meantime, look at this. Beautiful day, huh? You gotta love Alaska. I thought I ought to show you this. I took the thing out and I saved these because when I make like dehydrated chili and stuff, I put these in there. Helps keep them dry. But I figured I better show you this. I opened this up and here's a packet of the sauce, I guess. Freeze-dried chicken. Right here. It feels like a piece of balsa wood. And there's a few pieces of it in here, so if nothing else, folks, this is going to be interesting. Okay, I figured I better put my glasses on to read the directions on this thing. It says, open the zipper pouch, at the tear notch, remove the inner potato pouch, and discard oxygen absorber. That's that little thing. Leave meat in the zipper pouch. Carefully add 1.5 cups of boiling water to the meat. Fully immerse meat in the water. Close the zipper bag and let it stand for 2 to 3 minutes. Carefully remove meat. Empty contents of potato pouch into the water. Okay, into the water that's left over here. Stir it up, close the zipper and let it stand for 2 minutes. Stir potatoes and serve with the meat. I don't know, can you see that? The meat actually looks tender. So now I remove the meat and put it in my canteen cup. And I'll put the potatoes in the water. Now, wow, smell the cheese. Okay, we're just gonna pour this in here. And we're gonna mix it up. Let it stand for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to see how it tastes. That's not bad. So we'll give it a couple of minutes and then we'll be back. All right, let's see what this dehydrated chicken tastes like. Come here, you little bugger. Piece of chicken. It actually tastes like chicken. I'm not lying, it tastes like chicken. Could use some salt, pepper. Potatoes, they look a little dry, but they're instant mashed potatoes. What do you want? But they do have a good flavor. Cheese, and seems like there's garlic in there a little bit. It's pretty good. So I would give it a thumbs up. One thing I would do, had I known this was going to be like this, which is the way you find out, you try it out, right? I would not have used my canteen cup for my chicken. I would have brought either a mess kit or a plate at least, or I guess I could eat it on a rock or something. But if you're gonna get one of these, and they don't mark it on here that they recommend that or anything, but it would just be easier if this was in my other cook set or a plate or something. So anyway, we'll go back to, they're still out there watching for whales, so I'll turn you back that way, see if we can see anything. We got ducks over here.